Not only does our next guest give you the ultimate return for what you thought was junk, but he also gives a helping hand. Nevada Coin Mart supports various groups here in the Valley, and here with more about it, graduate gemologist Neil Sackmary of Nevada Coin Mart.
Sean.
Neil.
How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good, man. What's going on?
We're here. We're
Yes,
talking.
we are.
I know that you've been in business for many years now,
Yes.
and you've helped a lot of people get some extra money in their pocket that they may not have thought they could have gotten. However, beyond that, you take the money that you make and you do great things in the community as well.
Absolutely. You know, I mean, the thing is, I just had the Review Journal yesterday come to the store because they're writing an article on me. You know, I'm a big supporter of the Spring Valley Little League, the Mets, Operation Fire Heat with Fred, and, you know, giving Christmas gifts. You know, KTNV, the Morning Blend, we just did a big thing with Julie for the Vegas Shepherd
Rescue.
Dog Rescue. We, you know, we're the celebrity gold buyer. You know, the thing is this: if you're in business, you're in business for the community. And so Nevada Coin Mart is a proud supporter of a lot of different things. And so that's why it is that you want to come in and turn what you have into cash. Now, stuff or junk equals cash. Neil Sackmary, graduate gemologist, Nevada Coin Mart. I am open right now. Call 702-776-7061. Ask the question. Any type of coins, any type of currency, any type of paper bills, any type of jewelry. I am a gold jewelry expert, a sterling silver expert, and a costume jewelry expert. And so any type of items that you bring in, we are going to look at. Like this beautiful emerald set that's certified, Rolex watches, any type of item. Turn stuff or junk into cash as well. When it comes to like nicer items like these, you know, here's the important thing, is that these items turn into real money. There's nobody in Las Vegas that buys more Rolex watches or gold than me.
Wow.
Everybody else is second rate, and it is a fact.
Wow, love it. So let's talk then about some of the people that end up coming in. I mean, I assume there's some people that have inherited stuff or estate sales, perhaps, that's where you're seeing a lot of the stuff come.
Sure, absolutely. You know, unfortunately, we live in a world where we're not on the planet for the rest of our life.
Yeah.
And so it's just a fact. And so the thing is that if you inherit items or, you know, your children don't want it and you're downsizing or you're decluttering or, you know, you have stuff. Everybody has it, and everybody has stuff or junk that they think is junk, and it turns into real money. I am a costume jewelry expert. There is nobody in Las Vegas that knows about costume jewelry. Everybody else in Las Vegas is a gold buyer that knows about precious metals only. When you do and you go to a place like that, you are losing money because they are taking advantage because they only know about gold and silver and they don't know about costume jewelry, and you want a jewelry buyer because that's who knows about your stuff. Call right now, 702-776-7061. I have people standing by to talk to you.
And it's only because you're here right now. Otherwise, you'd be back there.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're there every day.
Every day. I am not
Thanksgiving.
paid. Thanksgiving, Christmas, you
July
know,
4th.
my birthday. It doesn't make a difference. Here's the thing. I am not a paid actor. If you have a business and there is paid actors, there's something that's not right. When you are a business owner, you stand up for your business, you declare it as your business, and you say, come to me. And that's why people drive for an hour and a half to come and see me. I tell the story. I was telling the story earlier. Can you imagine somebody that drives 2 hours to come and see me, and it's like, nah, that guy's at the pizza restaurant, or he's at the, you know, Wendy's down the road, or he's off Tuesday.
Yeah.
No, you're never coming back. That is a sign of disloyalty to customers. I am loyal to my customers. That's why 85% of customers that are repeat or referrals come into my store because they know that I'm there, they know that I'm a stand-up guy, and I will always give them the best price. I am a graduate gemologist from GIA. That means that I am an expert. I'm not just in the jewelry business for 35 years and claim that I know something.
Absolutely. And not only do you work with the community and nonprofits, not only do you work with the community and be able to resell your stuff, you work with community businesses as well, like Glazers.
Absolutely. Glazers, greatest supermarket ever. You know, my full-size cutouts
You may have seen him or seen his cutout.
Right. I support them. Mr. G, Mrs. G, they're fantastic. They 100% support me. I can't say enough nice things about them. They are in business because the customer. Neil Sackmary, Nevada Coin Mart, is there because the customer. I am there 365 days a year, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Bring in your collectibles, bring in your coins. We didn't even have a chance to talk silver dollars, currency, proof sets, mint sets, wheat pennies. How many people have wheat pennies?
What's a wheat penny?
Bags of wheat pennies. How about poker chips? How about proof sets? How about watches? How about jewelry? How about nicer items? How about the blue books? How about these things with the currency in the middle that we didn't even get a chance to unwrap? I mean, if you could imagine all the stuff we buy, it would be insane.
You walk into the store, you'll see some of the stuff they buy. I mean, there's a big bird that just stares you right in the face when you walk in.
And Sean can attest to it because Sean was there and he had an opportunity to buy a diamond ring, a gold and some costume.
There was one person, they brought in like a forklift worth of stuff, and they sat down there for a couple hours to go through their stuff.
I mean, you saw it. And so it's not like, well, this guy's making it up and I'm going to go there and there's some scam. Let me tell you something. There's no scam. Everybody else is second rate. There's one Neil Sackmary. Everybody tries to compete, and let me tell you, they're not competing.
Wow.
I am the largest gold buyer in Las Vegas. I
like
will knock out anybody with a signed boxing glove if that's what you have.
Neil.
Bring it in, and I pay you cash.
Love you, buddy. It's great having you. Thank you so much. Nevada
Makes you
Coin
wait,
Mart,
though.
not
People
only
get
giving
very
you
excited.
top return for what you thought was junk, not only being incredibly transparent when you bring in that stuff, but they're also a proud supporter of various organizations in the Valley. You can visit Nevada Coin Mart on Jones and Flamingo, and for more information about them, you can just head to the website and call the number right there on your screen.